Are you tired of lugging around your MacBook Pro in a bulky and unattractive case? Or even worse, no case at all? Look no further than the Mujjo Envoy Sleeve, the sleek and stylish solution to protect your device on the go. Picture this. You're scrolling through the streets with your MacBook Pro nestled safely in the Mujjo Envoy Sleeve, feeling like a tech-savvy superhero. The vegan leather exterior screams style and sophistication, while the thoughtful design offers practicality and convenience. So, I recently just upgraded to a 14-inch M2 Max MacBook Pro. And when it comes to a new product, I always love checking out different accessories for said product. In this case, it's sleeves for the MacBook Pro. This one in particular caught my eye because it looks very premium and can hold more things in addition to just your laptop. It's great. My personal favorite is the magnetic opening that's secure and keeps your MacBook Pro in place, yet gives you extremely quick access to your laptop. It's also designed so that you can charge your MacBook Pro inside the sleeve, and it's a feature that I've grown to love due to the convenience. One of the best things I love about the sleeve is its sleek design. The vegan leather and soft interior give it a premium look and feel that's perfect for any setting, including a more professional environment. The interior material provides a soft and cushioned surface to protect your MacBook Pro from scratches and dings, while the exterior adds an extra layer of durability. The two front pockets are great because they give you quick access to your accessories. One of them expands to hold larger items, but snaps closed to keep everything nice and slim. The rear pocket is a little deeper and can hold something like a notebook or even your passport. Vegan leather is something that I'm not too familiar with, but so far it seems pretty easy to maintain. It still feels like a very premium product, but I guess only time will tell on how well this thing holds up in the long term. So far so good. Here's how I like to rock my sleeve. Kind of a weird sentence, but oh well, let's roll with it. To be honest, I do like to rock it without having anything inside of the pockets, but when I do, here's what I carry. On the first pocket, I like to keep my charger. I don't really use a mouse anymore when I'm on the go, and most of the time even when I'm at home. I guess I just got used to doing tasks and even video editing on a trackpad. The other pocket holds my iPhone 14 Pro Max with a case. There's an elastic strap inside this pocket that helps keep your phone secure. It's a little tight with a phone case on, but it fits. Then the back pocket usually holds either my notebook with a pen or my Kindle, depending on what I feel like carrying that day. Everything is going to be a tight fit at first, but the sleeve will adjust to your carry over time. That's really all there is to it. This is a very simple product, but you can tell that it's very well thought out, and that's what sets it apart from other laptop sleeves. It's an amazing all-around sleeve that's stylish and practical, even for more professional settings and environments. It's slim and lightweight, and has everything you could want in a laptop sleeve. If you're looking for a premium sleeve for your new MacBook, this is a solid contender. Highly recommended. Make sure to check out my unboxing and first impressions of the 14-inch M2 Max MacBook Pro. If you found this video helpful, you know what to do. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.